Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka Meghalaya Board of School Education MBOS haga step jong ka South Regu Jamang arajar apun riu kalapan banaya ki result jongki examine Higher Secondary School Leaving Certificate HSSLC haki subject baper kata na ka Science Stream, Commerce Stream, Art Stream but Vocational Stream. Katkom gijing penbana na ka Science Stream ka kedan baningkong haka top 10 la yok ban khor da ka Don Bosco College Higher Secondary Section Tura lingba udekro M Marak ubole yok ban khor South Pa nyo pu ar marks. Naka Commerce Stream ka kerdan ka baningkong naka top 10 layok khur da ka St.Edmund Higher Secondary School Shillong lingba ka Priya Ghosh ka bayok ban khur South Pa Sanpupra Marks. Naka Art Stream ka St.Mary's Higher Secondary School Shillong ka layok ban bat ika kerdan baningkong naka top 10 lingba ka Mega Shri Roy ka bayok ban khur South Pa Sanpunyo Marks. Naka top 10 haka Science Stream ka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School ka labat ika kerdan baar lingba Amas Chin Min Lun Kekerdan basaw lingba udoni chwa sajem, kekerdan bahinriu lingba wan bahabok lang snaitang, bat kekerdan bahinyo lingba sidhi de. Kekerdan kabalai bat basan layok bankur daga Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School lingba Vishal Rai bat Birubji Das, ke St. Edmund's Higher Secondary School Shillong kapau kekerdan basan bat basipau lingba Congenial Karsano bat ke Lydia Mary Jala. Hakani ka top la paru ka North Liberty Higher Secondary School Mukurdup Jowai, haka kerdan bapra lingba ka Hakiru Chalam, ka Sengkhasi Higher Secondary School Shillong lingba ka Pibari Shadkhar, bat ka St. Mary's Higher Secondary School Shillong lingba ka Ishra Tara Begum, haka kerdan ka Basipau. Naka top 10 haka Commerce Stream. Ka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong ka layok ban khori ka kerdan baar lingba ka Ankita Das, ka kerdan balai lingba ka Rishika Depnath, kerdan basaw lingba u Julius Karki Thapa, ka kerdan bahinyo lingba u Vivian Wanshai Lalu, bat ka Trisha Bhattacharjee, ka kerdan bapra daw Aki Sharma, bat ka kerdan basipau da ka Nivita De. Hakani ka top la pauru ka Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School Shillong, haka kerdan basan bat benriu lingba Sani Baman bat Umantan Sarkar, ka St. Mary's Higher Secondary School Shillong haka kerdan bahnyo lingba ka Bachina Lingdo, bat ka Nong Thamai Nepali Higher Secondary School Shillong, haka kerdan bakhandai lingba Vishnu Boro. Naka top 10 haka Arts Stream, ka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School kalayok ban khori ka kerdan baar bat balai lingba Josiah Daman Lalu, bat ka Naki Sakahuni M Pakenteng lem ka kerdan bahnyo lingba Dami Wan Bhamajao. Ka St. Edmund's Higher Secondary School Shillong haka ni ka top kalayok ban khori ka kerdan basaw bapra bat basipau lingba ka Felicia Chinglalven, Ubiraj Bhattacharjee, bat ka K Gwinnett Wan Rilang Rambai. Nalor kita gi school la paru ka Little Star Higher Secondary School Baridwa, haka kerdan basan lingba ka Swastika Giri, ka Auxilium Girls Higher Secondary School Shillong lingba ka Sushmita Shankar, haka kerdan bahinriu, ka St. Paul's Higher Secondary School Nongpo lingba Starwell Ronghang, haka kerdan bakhandai, bat ka North Liberty Higher Secondary School Mukurdup Jowai, haka kerdan basipau. Shusho haka ni kasngi la plat ru ya ka result HSSLC vocational stream haka ba naki ar poingot ki be khon ya ka examen ar pongot ki la pass but laingot ki la 1 haka first division.
Okay, I'm Priya Ghosh and I have secured the first position for commerce in HSSLC examination, and today I think the hard work has paid off. My teachers, my parents, my brother, they all have worked harder, and they have played a significant role in not shaping just my academics, and they have instilled into me moral values, ethics, I think, which I'll carry forward throughout my life. And I just want to thank them. My brother Sumandas, he has taught me since I was in class 4, and I think the one I'm today, he also has played a big role. My class teacher, Miss Piali, she always motivated me when I was like the pressure was very high. She motivated me not to go down. Sir Felix, he is like a father figure. He has uplifted me from the day one I've joined St. Edmund's. And I just want to say that class 11 also plays a big role for your achievement in class 12, because I think the base plays a significant role in your achievement. And I was consistent since class 11. And my teachers, they saw potential in me. They always motivated me. All the teachers, Miss Pooja, Miss Supriya, they are the building blocks. They are my backbone, basically to say. Miss Rachel, Miss Delcy, all the teachers in the school, they have not only made me a good student, they have made me a good human being. And I just want to say to all the students, you pursue what you like, love what you do, and give your best, whatever you can do. And not only be good in your work, be good as a person, help others, understand them. That also makes you one of the achievers in your life. That's all. I think I want to pursue research in finance maybe in future, and I'm interested in public service also. So let's see what happens in future. I think social media has helped me a lot. Not only, I think the students should go beyond books, and social media has played a significant role in my general knowledge, and it depends on how you use the social media platform. I think the 2 months I've prepared during the board examination, I never touched. Means like I did not open any social media app. I have to be so consistent with my studies, and I think the students at the same time should enjoy their life, and I've learned that from my preparation that studies matter, but at the same time, how do you enjoy your life? It matters a lot, because I think my studies have made me rigid, and I just want to say all the students enjoy the process, and at the same time enjoy your life too.
My name is Kyrwoh. I'm a student of St.Mary Secondary School, and I'm from art stream. I'm very shocked as well as happy, because I never expected myself to get a first position, but I'm happy with it. Preparation was you don't need an external source or the books. It's just you need to study the books which you are provided by the school very well. That's all you need to study. I don't know. I think I prepared quite well, so it was pretty easy for me. Though some of the questions were difficult in some subjects, but overall it was easy exam. If you study well, you can score well. I plan to crack CUET. Yes, I want to become a civil servant officer. Yes, I watched the UPSC interviews, and I prepared the UPSC few of the general knowledge quiz, because it will be important for me for the CUET GAT preparation.
Sir, I'm really happy and excited right now. It's a moment of great pride and joy for me, my family, and my entire school. And sir, my feelings right now, it's something I believe that I can't explain at this moment, because I'm too filled with joy and happiness as of now. So, first and foremost, God Almighty. So I live by the principle that the chief end of man is to live for the glory of God. I believe that God had blessed me with these intellectual abilities, and so my main aim was to work as hard as possible so that I can glorify His name through the talents He has blessed me. And also, sir, my parents, of course, because of the sacrifice, the countless sacrifices that He had done for me. And I'm very happy that I have wonderful parents like them. And then my teachers, because they were willing to help me at any time. Whenever I went to them, they would always help me, guide me on how I should prepare. And that's why I'm really grateful to them as well. Also, sir, I have to thank my friends, my classmates, because I believe that the group that you hang out with, the people that you spend most of your time with, they also influence you a lot. And so the friends that I had, the classmates that I had, were the best of the best, and because of them I got to grow in many ways, and that's why I'm here today. So I started preparation very early. I started from day one. I started studying. I used to study every day. I studied consistently. I put in the hours, and then by mid-December, by the time school got over, I was already done with my syllabus. And so after that, it was just revision. And as exams came closer, it drew nearer, I started putting in more and more hours, like 10, 11 hours. And yeah, that's what I did, study every day with consistency. Sir, yes, I was kind of dependent on them. I used various devices. I used my phone, internet to research on various stuff, used ChatGPT a lot as well. Sir, it depends on the person. I knew myself very well. I knew I would be able to exert that self-control. That's why I used technology to the best of my advantage. But for those who cannot control themselves, it's better that they don't.
My name is Josiah Damnalalu. I secured the second position from the art stream in the HSLC examination. Well, I'm planning to major in English literature, and I plan to become a professor. That's my main plan as of right now. See, I think the biggest misconception that people have is that you have to study for hours at a time. And although that may be true in some cases, I feel like that's not true for everyone. So for me personally, I studied whenever I felt like it, and I also took breaks whenever I felt I needed it. I think everyone just needs to find their own study pattern. The main thing is that people often look at toppers as the ideal students and they have to follow their routines. But not everyone can commit to the same routine that other people have. So the main thing I want to advise other students is have a study routine that works for you. And as soon as you find that study routine, commit to it. That's the only thing that I want to say.
Kerana kada kuanet rembai, ba ngaso mention ngaklam expect ra bang yo top haga rank haga list, ba ngaso bu ni ko ayo play, ba ay inspiration motivation man le bhavan ka ha sngu ri ki no hikai ya ki bahaya bahasa jangan kilok ki jorong baro kila dan ka ngaban encourage jangan but nak semua macam mana? Kerkum kerakot semua, dia ada banyak kerakot dari kenta tu, tambah dewan haka rutin semua ngasih serius bahaya ki test bagi ki project work, bagi tu kita add up haka rukumpas rupi haka kainus. Neng hadir kan yang boleh saya ke BA degree nampak hadir ke tu kan sampai ke play lagi bentar cuma personal aim cuma kembali ke ba specific dari masuk tang menang successful haladi tang manganong independent.
Habatin pej bahagi kisap plus F
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya